From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
French crepes. The history of French crepes is a rich and delicious tale that stretches back centuries. Deeply rooted in the traditions of Brittany, a region in northwestern France, the story begins in the early Middle Ages, around the 12th century, when buckwheat was introduced to Europe from Asia. This hardy grain thrived in Brittany's rocky, infertile soil, making it a staple crop for the local population. Buckwheat flour, known as blé noir, black wheat, in French, became the foundation for the earliest crepes, which were originally thick, dense, and savory, more akin to what is now known as a galette. By the 13th century, these simple buckwheat pancakes had become a dietary cornerstone for Breton peasants. They were cooked on large, flat, cast-iron griddles called billigs over open hearths, a method that remains iconic in crepe making today. Unlike modern sweet crepes, these early versions were often filled with whatever ingredients were available: eggs, cheese, or salted meats, making them a versatile and nourishing meal for laborers and farmers. The transition from savory buckwheat crepes to the lighter, sweeter versions made with wheat flour came much later, around the 19th century. White wheat flour, once a luxury, became more accessible, and the addition of eggs, milk, and sugar transformed the crepe into a delicate, golden treat. This shift coincided with the rise of creperies, specialized eateries dedicated to serving crepes, which began appearing across Brittany and later throughout France. A pivotal moment in crepe history came in 1889 when Henri Carpentier, a young assistant waiter in Monte Carlo, accidentally invented the crepe Suzette. Legend has it that while preparing a dessert for the Prince of Wales, the future King Edward VII, he flambéed the crepes in a sauce of caramelized sugar, butter, orange zest, and Grand Marnier. The prince was so delighted that he named the dish after his young companion, Suzette. This luxurious variation helped elevate crepes from humble fare to a symbol of French culinary sophistication. In the 20th century, crepes gained international fame, thanks in part to France's culinary influence worldwide. The establishment of La Chandeleur, Candlemas, on the 2nd of February as the unofficial Day of Crepes further cemented their cultural significance. This tradition, possibly linked to older pagan festivals celebrating the harvest, involves flipping a crepe with one hand while holding a coin in the other to ensure prosperity for the coming year. Today, French crepes are enjoyed in countless variations, from the classic beurre sucré, butter and sugar, to elaborate gourmet fillings. Whether served in a Parisian cafe, a Breton creperie, or a street vendor's stand, they remain a beloved symbol of French gastronomy, a simple yet endlessly adaptable dish with a history as rich as its flavor.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.